Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel, Anu Loves Art. We've started this new series especially for beginners called Joy of Drawing. In the first session, we learned how to draw basic lines, shapes, and we also did some fun activities together. If you missed this session, I'll be adding the link in the description below. Today, in the second episode, let's learn how to draw simple objects using basic shapes. So grab your paper and pencil and let's start drawing. Last time we did these dots, right? Dots and some bigger circles. So today let's try to draw some actual circles. So if I ask you to draw a circle, typically you would just press your pencil hard, go all the way, and then try to somehow match and then come like this, right? So this is one way to draw a circle when you start and you end here, okay? There are other ways to draw a circle. So today I'm going to show you some other ways. So this is the circle. So the motion is like this. So as last time when I told you, don't use your wrist, use a hand. So try to draw a very large circle. Just go round and round. Use your entire hand again and see you can actually draw a circle. You just try to draw as many circles as you can. Small, big. Try to fill the entire page. So you can also do this activity on a newspaper. Make huge circles. Try to go around, size. Now try to draw circles within circles. So now I'm just drawing this like a donut. Okay, how about some ellipse? Slanted ones. Other direction. Now how about some egg shape? So you're just moving your hand and whenever you think it's right, you're just going to draw it. So now if you draw a line like this, a straight line down, and then try to do this. I've actually created a YouTube short for this, but try to see if you can do this movement and you get a pot because your hand is moving in that direction. See, again the oval goes down, maybe now again bigger. So it's easier to draw these kind of shapes by just using your hand movement. Now if I just go down, try to see if you can combine two shapes like so. So fill the entire page. Try to do as many shapes as you can. Okay, now you know how to draw a circle. So let's start with that. I'm drawing a circle. What can I do with this circle? I do the sun, just like we did last time. Okay, so this is sun. Maybe it's early morning. One more circle. Draw one more circle. Maybe this is your alarm clock. Like 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun is up. Now let's see. Now let's draw. Okay, maybe draw a line like so. Maybe one more oval and then an oval here. What do you think this is? This is your toothpaste. So it's early morning, the alarm is on. You get up and you brush your teeth. Now let's see. Again I'm drawing an oval. Okay, from the center, I'm going down and then maybe just two straight lines. Another oval like so. And this can be your toothbrush. You want to put some paste on it. Again I'm drawing two ovals, connecting them. And then I have my toothpaste on my toothbrush. And draw one more oval. Okay. If you want, you can always draw this line. And then just connect. So this could be a glass for water. Now I pour some water in this. So yes, now I see the level of water, which is again an oval. Maybe this is warm water. Now I want to put something. Maybe I want to put a lemon. You would again draw a circle. And this is your lemon. Maybe you want to cut the lemon into half. Then what you would see is another oval and then something like this. So this is my cut lemon. Now maybe you want to eat some almonds. Yes, again ovals. Maybe you want to eat some cashews. Again oval, and just draw a cashew here. Now we want to draw a roll. So this could be maybe a yoga mat. Then this could be the key. Now maybe you want to drink your morning coffee. So again, two ovals, I connect a dish. Again, oval has some height, maybe some cookies. Inside this, apple. So here you can see that with just simple ovals and lines, you've just drawn so many different things. And if you break it down into smaller pieces, like here you have like the first oval, second oval, third oval, fourth oval, and then you're just connecting that. You get the whole shape. So try to observe these things. So what I did just now was memory drawing. So I was not looking at anything. I was just thinking about, okay, how a toothpaste would look like or how a cup would look like. So this is in my head. So I'm just trying to put it on the paper. So try that. Try to remember things and try to draw them. But maybe the glass does look slightly different. Maybe it's more taper. So you don't know the exact proportions, but at least you know the shape and you know how it would look like. So this is an activity which you should do. Wasn't it easy? Now you've done the memory part. Now let's see if you can actually find an object and try to draw. So I have a couple of objects that I could find. This is a tomato cup. This is also a tomato. So now if I want to draw these objects, so if you look at this carefully, you will see that there's an oval again here. There are two ovals here. So kind of look at all the shapes first and then try to draw it. And then you can do all these details. So basically just wanted to show you that this was the shape and I just used of ovals to draw something like this. So it looks complicated, but once you break it down, it's not that difficult. Now the same thing with this. First you have to observe the shape. So it's not exactly oval, it's more like a heart shape. And then you can actually darken it if you want to once you know the exact shape. And then this becomes your tomato. Now if you want to draw this one, see this? This is also not exactly oval. So you start like this and then it has these things going on. So pick up all the objects that you can find so that you can see now this pair of scissors. You can try to draw these. Again, same thing, oval. This is also somewhat oval. And then try to do it proportion wise. First observe it. Look at the general proportions. You can see that this one is longer. This is like a taller thing. Again, this is slightly smaller than this. So observe all these things first and then start drawing. So if you now carefully watch it and then it goes down. So observe all the details and then try to draw. So just pick up all the objects which you think have ovals and try to draw them. Okay, this would be your activity. So happy drawing.